I am Adam.
And I'm Christy.
And we are Heavenly Hikes and Travels.
We live in the beautiful state of West Virginia, and we have been blessed to travel all over the world together. And now that our children are grown, we bought a truck camper and are excited for the many adventures that await. So come with us on all of our heavenly hikes and travels.
So we are at the top of the Spruce Knob, the summit here at Spruce Knob, and it's at 4863, I think it was the elevation. When we walk out this trail, I think there'll be a sign there, so I'll insert that at the end. But we're on this little half-mile trail that just takes you out and around. It's very beautiful.
That's the Nelson Rock, Beauty Gap area.
Oh, and the temperature was 50 degrees when we got to the top here. So it's a little bit chilly, very windy, especially when the wind blows. It feels colder than 50 degrees. So I'm wearing I'm double layering my jackets here because it's cold. But Adam is not wearing any jacket because he's macho man. So we are in the Smoke Hole Wilderness area. So I interrupt with a very important correction and some information. First, this is not Smoke Hole Wilderness. We are on North Fork Mountain in Monongahela National Forest in my beautiful home state of West Virginia. Just wanted to clarify. And we are doing a little hike to Chimney Tops. I believe it's around 5, maybe 5.5 miles. This is a hike we have never done, so we're excited to do that. It's a beautiful morning for a hike.
Hey, I saw your line up and I thought, man, we gotta go check this out.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go, quick. Quick jumping. Yeah, that's nice. That is nice.
Wow. All right, so we are driving on a road that we have been on before. We are going to try to find us a boondocking spot on Canaan Loop Road. Now, if you have watched our channel, you may remember that we drove on this road. It was actually the very first place we took the truck and the truck camper out to try to find a boondocking spot, but it looks quite a bit different right now than it did then, because
Foot of snow.
there was like a foot of snow and we actually got stuck in the snow on this road. So we're going to try to redeem ourselves, and
No, there's no snow this time.
yeah, there's no snow. So we're headed out on Canaan Loop Road to try to find us a camp spot for the night. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot different than the last time we were on this road. Now we just have to find a place to camp for the night. So far it's not looking too good. We've passed
Three spots.
Three spots that have been taken. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. This seems to be a pretty popular place for people to camp. And I think that the vehicle in front of us is also looking for a camp spot. So yeah, there's that. We found a spot.
What?
It's a little spot, but we found a spot. So we'll take it. We're excited. Adam is going to get out the leveling blocks. Just got to do a little leveling, but yeah. It's a small little spot, but ow. There's a rearview mirror there. I meant a side mirror. So I'm taking a little walk down this road. letting the hot water tank in our camper warm up so that we can have showers. But it has been a beautiful day. We've really enjoyed our day. Started out going to Spruce Knob, and it was so pretty up there. Cool. And I don't know if I've said this, I think I did maybe earlier, but it's the highest elevation in West Virginia. Spruce Knob is. So that was fun. And then we did that hike to Chimney Rocks, which is something we've never done, and we really enjoyed that. So it's been a great day. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, our little weekend getaway. I'm not sure if I'll be putting out a video tomorrow or not. I don't know what we'll be getting into on the way home. We're just like 3 hours from home. It was just a weekend trip. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I don't know if there's anything else I was going to say. I'm not sure. I don't know. Oh, yes, I do want to say that it's like 64 degrees when we pulled into the camp this evening. So I'm actually wearing a jacket because it's a little bit chilly. So there's that. I think that's all I have to say. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.